The High Court resumed its business today. There was an urgent application by the chairman of the Swaziland National Ratepayers Association through their representative Leo Nduna Dlamini, where they want the High Court to issue an order directing the Minister for Housing and Urban Development to postpone the nominations and elections for the local government elections for 2017. The chairperson of the Ratepayers Association, Solomon Ngumalo, through his lawyer Leo Nduna Dlamini in his founding affidavit in court, says the Minister for Housing and Urban Development made publications to the entire town and cities councils of Swaziland, calling all ratepayers to register for nomination and elections to form local government. Indeed, voters went for registration, and subsequently thereof a voters' roll was compiled per town and city council. Ngumalo says a voters' roll was opened to the public for inspections and lodgement of claims and complaints and objections in terms of Section 8 of the Urban Government Regulation of 1969. He further says a list of objections and claims were made. Some of the towns and municipalities that lodged claims and objections include Matsapa, Mbabane Ratepayers, Hlatikulu Ratepayers, Manzini Ratepayers, Sitegi and Pisbik Ratepayers, and Ward 12 in Manzini. The objections are based on that there are no photos in the voter's name on the voter's roll. Some candidates do not belong to the wards they are registered under. Ngumalo alleges that the voter's roll was not open for inspections for 14 days pending objections and claims as per the legislation. They allege that some registered voters are residents of Swazi Nation land under chiefs, and some voters' names do not have plot numbers or permits to operate businesses in town. The applicant is seeking an order compelling and directing the Minister for Housing and Urban Development to postpone the nominations and election date pending compliance with Section 3 of the Local Government Elections Regulations. They want the court to compel and direct the minister to postpone the nomination and election date pending the deletion of all names of objected candidates who do not qualify in terms of Section 3 of the Urban Government Elections Regulations. High Court Judge Tinsile Mabuza granted the applicant an interim order stopping the nomination and elections. The matter will be before court on Thursday. For Swazi TV News, I'm Linton Gule at the High Court.